If you're bored of the same gray WordPress dashboard, here's a free tool from WP Adminify that fixes it in a few minutes. It's called the Admin Color Generator. You design your admin colors right in the browser, watch each change render live, then download the whole thing as a WordPress plugin you can install on any site. You don't write any code, and you don't need an account to start playing with it. Let's start with the three options in the top right corner. The first one is the random pick. Click it, and the tool applies a random color scheme to the preview, which is handy when you have no idea where to start. Next to it is the dark mode toggle, which flips the whole preview into a dark admin theme. The third one is full screen mode, so the tool takes over your entire screen while you design. By the way, you'll find the same options in the bottom left corner too, right under the download button. There's a reset option that takes you back to the default or to your latest preset. The same random shuffle, dark mode, and a button to view the generated code, so you never have to scroll back up while you work. Now the Palette tab. At the top, you have theme presets, which are ready-made color schemes: fresh, modern blue, midnight, coffee, and a few others. Pick one as your starting point. I'm going with sunrise here, and you can see the whole dashboard preview turn into this warm red theme right away. Under the presets, you get full control with color tokens. Base colors handle the background, headings, and regular text. Click any swatch and a color picker opens. Drag to choose a color, or paste an exact hex code if you're matching a brand. Next, admin menu colors. This controls the left sidebar, the menu background, menu text, the hover color for submenus, and the background and text for whichever menu item is active. Each change shows up in the live preview the moment you make it. Then come notification colors. For the update number counter, you see an admin menu, primary colors for your main buttons, and you can watch the Save Changes button update as I pick a new color, plus secondary colors for the lighter buttons and accents. Link color changes every link across the admin. Border, input, and ring colors style your form fields and outlines. Odd and even colors control the striped rows in tables like your post list. Last, the approve, unapprove, and trash colors for comment actions. Every piece of the WordPress admin has its own control here. The preview isn't one static screen either. You can click through the post list, tools, settings, any admin page you want, and check how your colors hold up everywhere before you commit to anything. Moving to the Advanced tab. Here you set the sidebar width, how wide the admin menu is when it's expanded, and how narrow it gets when collapsed. Drag the sliders and the sidebar resizes live. There's also a radius control. Turn it up and everything gets rounded corners if that's your thing. The third tab is typography. Choose a font for your whole admin area. Inter, Roboto, Open Sans, Montserrat, Lotto, and more. I'm picking Poppins here, and the dashboard switches over right away. You can set the font style too. Happy with the design? Click Download. A window opens where you name your plugin. I'll call mine Color Admin. You can see the generated PHP and CSS code right here, and copy it directly if you'd rather paste it into an existing setup. Now enter your name and email, check the box to get the download link by email, and hit Email me the link. The link also saves your exact design, so you can come back later and keep tweaking it. Over in my inbox, the email is already waiting. Your WordPress color scheme is ready, with a download button and short install instructions. One click and I've got my custom plugin as a zip file. Now to WordPress. Go to Plugins, Add Plugin, then Upload Plugin. Choose the zip file you just downloaded, click Install Now, and then Activate. And there it is. The moment the plugin activates, the dashboard switches straight to my design. The sunrise colors, the wider sidebar, the Poppins font, all applied exactly as I built them. Try the free admin color generator at wpadminify.com. You only enter your email when you're ready to grab the plugin.